Hello everyone, welcome to It's Healthy Mention channel. So today we are going to see Dunham Philosophy, that is chapter number 1, the science of therapeutics. So let's begin. Introduction. Homeopathy claims to be the science of therapeutics. Prior to the establishment of homeopathy on a scientific basis, therapeutics as a science had no existence. The foremost object is to discuss that the science of therapeutics which was not fulfilled by the rational medicine and to inquire in what way they are fulfilled by homeopathy. Secondly, to examine the most suitable method by which the science can be studied properly to the practical art of medicine. Therapeutics, the word meaning, it is defined as the science of curing disease, which is a function of a physician. Now, analyze it with a series of cases which are drawn from the records of actual practice. It, however, cannot be called an ideal case. Case 1. An elderly person comes with a complaint of precordial pain which could endanger his life. The correct prognosis is a matter of great importance. For this, the physician must have a sound knowledge of pathology and must know the nature, course, and complications of the disease. However, if it be a fatal case, then the function of the physician would end there. Here, the question of therapeutics does not compel up at all. Case number 2 is this is a case of epileptic form convulsions. There are various causes for it to occur. It may result from physical irritation of the nervous center or from the nerve filaments present in the extremities. It will, however, cease to occur if the irritation is removed. On the other hand, it can be caused by disturbance of vital function and can only be rectified by medicines. Thus, the physician has to study the phenomena which the patient presents. If it was caused by the latter, then the therapeutic approach would suffice. Case 3. In a child of epileptic form convulsions, it appeared first when the child was 14th month old and again after it was weaned. There is repeated source of irritation in the digestive system. It was found out that the flour in the molasses cake did not suit the child. The physician told the mother to give the child bread and milk only and also give placebo. Thus, after the dietary modifications, convulsions became that is and final never occurred again. The rational medicine prescribers boasted that they could cure disease with application of therapeutics. Now, we'll see the nature and limits of the science of hygiene and therapeutics. All living organisms have a susceptibility to environment influences. If equilibrium is disturbed, susceptibility constantly changes and the disease sets in. But the body's ability to heal itself is not lost because this special susceptibility can be discovered by administration of similimum and thus is restored and maintenance of proper equilibrium of general stimuli which is connected to science of hygiene. For example, a healthy man is exposed to an unusual degree of cold. Here, there is a deficiency of general stimuli which is necessary to maintain life. He gets rigors and chills. After some time, he sits by a fire and take warm drinks and feel alright. Thus, upon removal of cause, effect is removed. Now, let us suppose that the same man is again exposed to cold to a greater degree. Despite fire and warm drinks, his condition gets worse. Here also, cause is removed, but effect has not ceased. The organism here has suffered first a dynamic change and then an organic change. Organism has passed from a state of health into a permanent state of a disease. Therefore, a new stimuli of special character must be applied according to the new law which is called as law of therapeutics, and the new stimuli is therapeutic agents. Now next we will see the therapeutics law of old school. We can divide it into two methods. First, plan of cure is based upon nature of disease. They consider pathology of disease. They do not look into account of facts in the patient. This new method was well perceived by Leipzig professor who exposed the fallacy by saying, gentlemen, we have to deal with patients and not with the diseases. Second thing, frames rules for treating disease upon numerical data which is obtained by experience or observations upon the sick. Now finally, we are going to see how homeopathy plays role as a science of therapeutics. Homeopathy is a science which consists of a law or formula which expresses the relation between two series of phenomena. It is expressed by law of similia, similibus, curanter. In order to get the complete picture of morbid symptoms, the physician must be familiar of what is normal, that is physiology, and what is abnormal, that is pathology. General analysis of proving of a drug must be done by first sphere of action of drug, second the extent to which the organic substance is affected, third the action of the drug on the vital power. Materia Medica helped the author in a great way. The author gives 7 points to study Materia Medica, that is action on vital power, action on organic substance, sphere of action of remedy, sensations, periodicity, peculiarities, resume of the characteristics of the remedy. So here we complete the Dunham Philosophy, that is the science of therapeutics chapter number 1, and this question is usually asked for 20 marks in paper. Hope so you have understood these notes. Thank you for watching.